Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Adwita Nikam and today we are going to learn diversity in plants and their classifications. Diversity in plants. Various types of plants are found in many places around us. They live in different habitats, like cactus lives in desert, and then some plants grow underwater, and some are short, some are tall, and then some float in water. And we find lot of variety in the same type of plant. For example, there are different varieties of rice, wheat, different types of roses, and different mango flavors. Some plants even grow without stems, leaves, or roots. These are very different from ordinary ones. Let us study this diversity among plants. Okay, there are plants which make their own food in sunlight. So they are called autotrophic plants or autotrophs. See, this little one here is saying that I made this food. She is showing us the food, and then Sun is smiling because he liked her. And then this deer comes and then eats up this plant, and the Sun is angry with this animal or a reindeer. I don't think it's a reindeer. Something I don't know. So this flower is an autotroph or autotrophic, and this big bad animal is a heterotroph. Yeah. So organisms that make their own food are called autotrophs. That are like this little one. An organism that do not make their own food are called heterotrophics. Like this big bad thing over here. Yeah. Okay. So I will give you some autotrophic examples like hibiscus, pomegranate, and periwinkle. And then some plants like dodder use other plants for food and are said to be heterotrophic. Okay, so now we're going to learn about structure of plant. Plant structure can be usually divided into two parts. This one part which is above the ground, and this part which is below the ground. And then now we are going to learn about the structure of a plant. So first we are going to learn the flower because it's the most attractive part of a plant. This is connected to a stem and by a stalk. So this is a stem. I'll just show you. This is a stem and this is a stalk. Okay, so this stalk, by the stalk it is joined to the stem. The stalk might be long or short, like here we have the long one and here this short one. Yeah, so a flower has a typical color and shape. The flower is important means of reproduction. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the stem. Okay, we're going to learn about stem. So stem, the height, shape and size of the plant depends upon the stem. The stem carries out the functions of production, conduction and storage of food. In some plants, it has function of reproduction. It gives support to the other parts of plant. Like this fruit, this flowers and this leaves are joined together because of the stem. It is the most important part of a plant. And then we come to the root. Or first we will go to, what do you think, the leaf? Okay, so the leaf is flat. So when we draw a leaf, we draw like this. I think I should take some other color. Yeah. Okay, So, we draw leaves like this. We never draw leaf like this or to show that it's 3D one. It's wrong. We draw like this one. Okay. So it's actually flat and plays an important role in production of food. Leaves are mainly of two types: simple and compound leaves. But we are not going to learn the two types of leaves in this video. Okay. So now the fruit. I think everybody likes fruits. I do. I like the most of fruits. Okay, so this fruit are here 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits. Yeah, 4 fruits over here. So see here, there's written the fruit. And now the fruit have different shapes. Fruits contain one or more seeds. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. And the beans and the peas inside the pods are the bees. I mean seeds. Okay. So now we come to the root. The root holds the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main functions of the root are to absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of carrot and radish also store food. There are two types of roots: fibrous roots and tap roots. Okay, so taproot means just lines, and this is like big one or like this. Okay, so examples of fibrous roots are onion and grass. Fibrous roots means this one, and the taproot is this one. Okay, so now examples of taproot: hibiscus and banyan. And examples of roots, fibrous roots, onion and grass. Okay, so now we're going to learn need for classification of plants. Why do we need to classificate plants? Up to now, information about lakhs of plants have been collected. While studying diversity in the plants, they are classified for the sake of convenience on the basis of similarities and differences in their structure, their organs, and their other characteristics. Okay, so now we're going to see classification of plants. We can easily notice the differences between shape and height of the plants in our surroundings. It is easy to classify plants on the basis of this observation. So see here I have again an example. So for that one I need to draw. Okay, so suppose this is the coconut tree. Okay, this is the coconut tree, and then we have a mango tree over here. It's a big one like this. Okay, so it's very much tall in height, and this is a huge one, okay, in width, and it's a thinner one. When you see the coconut tree, it's like this, its stem is like this, so it's thinner one. And when we see a mango tree, it's like this, so its width is much more longer than this one, so it's thinner and it's huge one. Yeah, okay, so this is how we classify plants. Okay, so now I'm going to tell a small fact which I know. The scientist Carolus Linnaeus made the first scientific classification of plants. Initially, it was his method of classification that was used by all. Okay, so I think you must be tired. So now I'm going to tell you an activity. Use papers and colors to show the process of photosynthesis. See here I've given the photo. So this flower is laughing and the sun is also laughing and giving it sunlight, and then it's carbon dioxide and oxygen. The plant got oxygen, and then glucose. There is a glucose, and water and minerals are going to the stem through inside below the ground. Okay, so bye bye. Thanks for watching, and wait till the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, bye.